Welcome in our next guest now, Deborah Pora, nurse practitioner. She specializes in cardiovascular disease. You're coming to us from UPMC with some big information about, well, February's Heart Month, but this Friday we're kicking it all off with Wear Red for Women.
Yes, the first Friday of every February is Wear Red, and we are going to have our 16th annual Health Expo at the Erie Bayfront Sheraton from 9 to 12, and we haven't been able to do it in the last 3 years, so we're all excited here on doing the event. What we have focused on this year is just awareness, and we're going to do screenings, lots of free screenings for us women here in Erie County.
Now, is this expo specifically for women, or are men invited as well?
It is specifically for women, but of course men are invited.
You're not going to turn them away.
All of February is, Heart Month for us, so.
It's important to look inward at that cardiovascular health. And you said the first 250 people to the expo, again, coming up on Friday, get a really nice gift.
Yeah, so UPMC Hamot has provided 250 gifts for the first 250 people. There's still a lot of giveaways throughout the day and raffle baskets, a lot of donations from our community, just bringing awareness for this day.
Do you have to sign up for this or just show up?
No, you just show up. Registration will be on the second floor of the Sheraton.
Okay.
And lots of volunteers, a lot of fun to be had.
Yeah, and if perhaps you can't make it to that expo coming up this Friday, you're asking everyone to show their support like you are today, wearing the color red.
Yeah, so wearing red on a Friday just brings awareness that it's heart disease, cardiovascular disease is still the #1 killer of women here in the United States.
And why is that? I know that they always say that the signs of a heart attack are different for women than they are for men, and maybe we're just not aware.
Yeah, so there's a lot of different things. One statistics that we know is that 44% of people women over the age of 20 will actually have signs of cardiovascular disease in some form.
Goodness.
We are under-researched. I even saw statistics that a woman bystander will be less likely to get CPR than a man.
Goodness.
So there's a lot of different reasons why, but
and women are busy. I think a lot of times they're busy taking care of the husband and the kids and getting school ready and perhaps their own line of work that sometimes we forget about our own health.
And that's why this Health Expo is going to be so important, because there will be screenings there. Cholesterol, lung capacity, atrial fibrillation, bone density, a lot of different things that will be free for the public.
Do you find that when women go and get these tests, they're surprised sometimes?
They are really surprised. There's a lot of denial, especially when you get your cholesterol panel back.
Nobody wants to hear that, right?
Those aren't my numbers.
Yeah,
But even coming and having your blood pressure checked, we are doing percentages of body fat. Just so some of the things that you don't want to know about.
Sure. Sometimes you need to know.
Sometimes you need to know. Yeah.
Terrific. Deborah, thanks for coming in and joining us today. We'll be wearing red on Friday to kick off Heart Month and as a reminder of women's heart health, specifically on Friday. Deborah, thanks.